Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today is just gonna be, it's gonna be like a vlog kind of. We're just gonna go with the flow today. It's actually way late in the evening. It's 5 and it's a beautiful day outside, and can we just, before anything, point out this hair? Who is she? I recently watched I forgot the girl's name on YouTube, but I recently watched one of her videos and she was recreating a 2000s early 2000s look, makeup and hair, and her hair inspired me to do something different with these greñas because I always have the same thing, and since I have to wash my hair, I was like, let me just do something different, not be afraid to put hairspray in my hair because it's a couple days old and I need to wash it. We are actually going to be tie-dyeing today. I asked you guys on Instagram if you guys would like to see me do it. It's my very first time doing it. Since everyone's in quarantine, everyone is doing it. So I actually picked up some stuff from Forever 21 since I couldn't find any white biker shorts anywhere. My next task is to find some all white sweatpants because I couldn't find any. But I did get sweaters, a crop top, 2 biker shorts, and a pair of leggings. So everything's white. We're gonna tie-dye. I have a couple colors. Since tomorrow is Easter, I want to have a cute pink, or because I only have purple, so I'm thinking of watering down the purple and making it look kind of like a very pastel-y color, and wear it tomorrow because it's Easter and I want to have a cute outfit that I DIY'd all by myself. I'm gonna set you guys up, so give me just 1 second. We'll be right back. Hello guys. Oh wait, this isn't a hello guys. All right guys, so I set up my camera. Hopefully it looks okay. On my viewfinder it looks perfect. My hair looks great. Anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. So I think I have everything that I need. So we have our dye. I have 4 different colors and I do plan on using the purple today, since again we're doing something Easter related. We have our rubber bands. Hopefully that's enough. And I don't have like the squirty bottles, like the ketchup bottles that you're supposed to use. So I'm just gonna use this. I rinsed it out, and since it has that whole thingy, whatever it's called, I have my things. I'm actually going to tie-dye these shorts with a hoodie. We're gonna go ahead and get started.
11 p.m. and Saturday.
I'm actually just gonna get some water for the little squirty thingy. So I'm just gonna set this aside. I was actually watching Nicole Guerrero's videos, and she likes to wet her stuff. That way, when you're squirting the paint, it actually spreads and it doesn't like stay on the surface of the material. I don't know if that makes sense, but I'll show you guys as we're going through. So I'm just gonna start with the shorts. I'm gonna just dip them in the water and yeah, make sure everything's soaked. Instead of tie-dyeing eggs, we're gonna tie-dye an outfit. Ugh, I suck at this. So for the shorts, there's 2 methods. You can either twist them, like start twisting it. But what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to scrunch it. I feel like that gives like a more spread out look kind of ish. Scrunch it however you want to scrunch it. And I'm just gonna start rubber banding this. I don't know how I'm supposed to do this. How? Like ham. You can't really go wrong with tie-dye, can ya? Can you? Tuck everything in. This looks horrible. Who? That doesn't look right. That's the best we're gonna get, so you're not gonna be able to see my face, but that's totally okay. But this is what it looks like. So that's our shorts. Now we're gonna take the sweater, the hoodie, and this is gonna be harder because this is big. We're gonna dip it into the water. Oh my God. Squeeze the water. That's as best as it's gonna get. So we're gonna set this flat. start just scrunching everything. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm gonna tie this as well. I'm only gonna do one color.
I don't like cuando mezclan to where it looks brown.
No, I'm only gonna use one color. I'm gonna use purple.
Cool. Cool beans, dude. Bye.
I don't think my scrunching skills are great because all this is falling apart. Why is it so hard? Down. Shout out to my brother-in-law because he's the only reason I have rubber bands. I actually ordered some, but he had some, so I'm using his. Did you guys hear that? That was a little puppers. See, like, I don't know how to do this. That looks all like it's not even scrunched. I'm gonna lose my shit. Okay. This is obviously not okay. Okay, we're having complications over on this section right here. I think this is as best as it's gonna get. So I'm just gonna leave it at that. All right, so I just put on some gloves because this stains. Add hot water to a plastic bucket, stainless steel. What? I'm just gonna do it like this. Said 1 tablespoon. All right, so I'm gonna take this and throw it in here. I'm gonna test this on this piece right here. Oh, I think that's perfect. I'm gonna test it. Okay, that looks a little bit lighter. I just don't want it to be super, super dark. I'm gonna put a little bit more water. That's better. I don't know, but we're just gonna work with that. What the heck? Oh well. So I'm just gonna start pouring this everywhere on here. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect. You're not trying to make this perfect. So I'm gonna flip this over. It looks like that. I'm gonna flip it over. And this side. I have a plastic bag here. I'm gonna put this in here. Now we're gonna take the shorts and same thing, just go wild. So this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna set this one in another bag. Okay, so we're done. We're gonna leave that. We're gonna leave the other ones. I'm gonna set the timer and we're gonna come back in a couple of hours. It'll probably be nighttime by then because if not, if I don't come back, I'll just show you guys, I'll tell you guys what I did. If you're doing different colors, I would suggest washing them separately, like this piece with that piece if they were different colors. But since they're both the same colors, I'm gonna wash them together and then dry them, and then I will show you guys the aftermath after. So I'll see you guys in 7 hours, which will feel like 2 seconds for you. Good morning, guys. It is Easter, next day. So I finally finished my little project and it came out so good, so good. So I'm probably gonna take a picture in it today and show you guys, but let me just quickly show you guys how it looks. This is what the shorts look like. Super, super cute. I know the lighting's really horrible here. Let me turn this way. But this is the hoodie. I actually did a second pair, which is pink, so I left that overnight, so I have to rinse out the color right now and throw it in the washer. So I'll show you guys that after too. Alright guys, so you guys ready for the reveal of this tie-dye? Okay, so quick little story. I didn't end up wearing the one that I did on camera. I just love the color of this one more. But I will be wearing that one, and I will be posting on social media so you guys can see the purple one as well. But I felt like this pink just went more with the Easter vibe. So this one is actually a zip up. It's not a hoodie. I mean, it's a hoodie, but it's a zip hoodie. This is what it looks like. These are the shorts. I'm wearing just a regular shirt underneath. But these are the shorts. The bag has more white. So that's why I was a little bit more afraid. I'm afraid to wear it so much because I feel like if this was the back, the pink kind of covers. So I wish it was more on the back too. Obviously, I didn't get it. But the shorts in general are kind of pink. But yeah, this is the after. And here is my hoodie. Show you guys the back. But yeah, that is the turnout. The other one turned out exactly the same, just purple, a lighter purple. But hope you guys like it, and if you try it, let me know. So we are enjoying Easter with father-in-law Angie and chips, alcohol. Yeah. Angel, say hi. Everybody knows Angel. Abraham, that's actually Augie's younger brother. Hold on, let me go to the sun. Es lo mismo. We measured it. Come on.
1, 2, 3.
Cha 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 cha. The guys finished that, and Angie. I've been drinking this. I've actually recently tried this. I don't know if this is new, but I usually like the mango peach, which is delicious, but they're actually really good. Oh, okay guys, so I have to document this for the vlog. So yesterday we enjoyed some time with Augie's dad and Angie, and Augie got drunk and he's very hungover. Very. So this is a welcome Agustin to the hungover life, because he's never ever been this hungover. Look up. Look at me. Last night I thought I was gonna lose him. For those of you who know Augie, and you know that Agustin can mix, can drink, can do everything and never throw up. I'm exposing him because he threw up for the first time. I mean, this happens to me all the time, so it's nothing new for me, but I'm actually fine. I did drink too, and I mixed, but I didn't get half as bad as Augie. I don't even feel hungover. The only reason I'm coming on here is to end yesterday's video and the day before and the tie-dye video, because I didn't end it. So if you guys did like this whole tie-dye thing situation, make sure to check out my Instagram. I did post a picture in the pink set that I made, and as always, our social medias are linked down below, so you can go ahead and follow us there. So yeah, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you're proud of Augie's first hungover. And make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and turn on your post notifications so that you get notified when we post a new video and you don't miss any of our new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in our next video. That was video like 20 times. That's how you know. That comforts me when I do the knife stick. But we're gonna end this. You throw up on me? Bye.
Bye. Please pray for me.
Stop.